Sparky Sparks here. This is Tab in Silver Mix. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Now I've played with her. So at first she came like this and I was kind of like, I don't know, cute, right? But I've kind of done this kind of thing to her and I really like her. She's definitely a gray moment, right? So this is another basic cap. So there is no lace front, really. Let's see. Actually, there is a little bit of a lace front here. This is Ellen Wille, and beautiful, just beautiful hair, beautiful tonality. I had her on with a black shirt, which was beautiful as well. This is great for winter and for as we get colder, wearing sweaters. Now, a lot of people just wear fall colors in the fall. I like these bright hot blues. There's something about them that make me really happy. I think this is one of my favorite colors. So this is, again, a basic cap. This is the hairline. Really beautiful. She's open wefted. Let me take her off and you can see the inside. Usually I like to start on the inside, but let's do it backwards. Okay, so we've got this beautiful cap. Open wefting here. This is that tag that we've talked about in the past. So let's make sure we tuck her in. Make sure she's tucked in and not hanging out. This is the front. So this is that beautiful lace here that we saw. So I can pull her up and have that appearance that it's coming out of my head. I like to joke I have an 8 head, right? 4 and 4, almost, right? So not an egg head, but an 8 head. So the rule of thumb is we want 4 or 3 fingers here above our brow bone. So that's the nice thing about wigs. We can adjust them to adjust this space. Now I've heard that this space was desirable like in the 50s, and women would actually have electrolysis to make this space bigger. So if they had a short hairline, they would actually do hair removal to make this space because it was a sign of intelligence. No, I'm going with that one. Anyway, so let's get back to the wig. So we've got the lace front. We have the Velcro adjusters in the back to make it smaller if you need to. This nice nape that hangs down in the back that you saw when I turned around. Now, it also has here on the crown, like right up here in the part area, it's a little lace. So it's gonna look like scalp. Beautiful. So let's put her back on. And again, this is how easy it is, right? So I was playing golf today and now I'm just putting on a short wig so I can make dinner for my friends. All right. So she's beautiful. A silver fox, right? So we're gonna adjust her. Now I changed that 8 head into a 3 head or a 4 head kind of to the lace, tip of the lace. But I kind of like her off the face, right? Simple. Love her. Beautiful. Tab in Silver Mix. Beautiful. Cheers.